I brought that big red suitcase.
Okay. Wow, it looks dark. Yeah, but it's over
And
there.
I brought these to leave.
The wind's blowing that way, so I think we're
Blue
good.
skies. It looks like it's
We're
going
just
that
gonna
way.
go towards the bridge and do a little stuff right there. Yeah.
We gotta get up that way as quick as possible. Check it out. Moving in.
Oh, it's getting dangerous. The winds, baby. You gotta be
Hasn't happened
careful.
in a while. We haven't had this.
Wow. Getting a little
I was trying to set up my phone. I wasn't.
Yeah, you weren't paying attention. You better pay attention. Don't worry about phones.
Oh!
My man.
He's up a big.
He wasn't getting.
They're all brand new going up. Unbelievable.
All right, does someone want to go? I can't.
Oh! This guy's going. That guy sent it. We're good. We'll just keep going down.
Everyone's starting to fly off this way.
We should empty the damn boat.
I'm emptying it.
And let's take off. You can't cover the boat. It'll be too wet.
It is coming down.
Oh my God, the spray! Oh! Dripping lightning. Oh! This is cool. Wow, it's so insanity. Woo! We're getting fucked.
I know, dude.
You call this a storm?